Hi friends, I'm showing you this under cabinet or under sink organizer. Though I can think like you can use it anywhere, not just under the sink, but you can also use on the tabletop or you can use it anywhere you want to store things. It's pretty nice of plastic, which is waterproof and stain resistant design, and the material is strong. The instructions are here that you can use to assemble this whole unit. The assembling is pretty easy, and it's you can see like everything comes with it, like the cups on the side or the hooks or anything. So I will just open up everything so that you can see what's come in this package. So these are the hooks and the clips that comes with it, and I will show you the setting up of it. So all these rods will goes in the corner unit, like all the four units in the corner, and these are really sturdy. And this is the sliding uh, drawer, and this comes on the top of it, the organizer thing, and then the clips will come on this top, and that's it. Like it's pretty easy to install. It's no gimmicks or nothing, like no tools required. So it's pretty easy, just clip it and then you're done. So there are some additional hooks that you can use either on the four side, one each, or on the each side, like whatever you want to. So that's also handy for hanging anything. So that's how I said like you can use it anywhere on the countertop or under the sink, like wherever you want to organize things. These cups will go in the side or as you prefer. So the drawer is the slidable door, like the drawer in the bottom, so that will not stuck when you take it out. And then this is all the top is for the storage. It's pretty nice design and nice material for holding the stuff, like waterproof thing. So I'm just putting it under the sink just to show you some of the cleaning stuff. It comes in the full size, and then the drawer can come in and out. You can store whatever you want, and it's pretty easy to go inside, and it fits well. It's a nice thing.